Hi all, we have someone cool sitting here, so let's know what is he all about and what does he have to talk. So introduce yourself.
Sure, thanks Navya. Hi all, my name is Brijesh Bhatia. I'm a partner at EvolveWorks Studio. This is a company that we formed last year, but we started operations in this financial year, April. So EvolveWorks Studio is a co-working space based out of Brookfield in Bangalore. We are about 270 seater presently, and surely the option to scale up to about 1,000, close to 1,000 seats or more than that for sure. So that's a plan that I'll quickly share my short-term plan also. So rightly suited for startup companies, mid-sized teams, large teams, 270 seats, split it between open seats, cabin seats, merge multiple cabins to make it a private office. So that's the whole idea that we have so far for EvolveWorks Studio.
Sounds interesting. So can we have a look at your building and see what do we have and how does the co-working spaces look?
Sure. I could be happy to walk you through the different spaces or the uniqueness or the differentiators that we have in our space.
Definitely. Yes.
Great.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Walk through.
Hi, so we are standing at the entrance of EvolveWorks Studio, and what you see right behind me is a setup that is being done for a private office space for about 50 plus seats. So there's work in progress, so you'll see people around there. So that is how it is. If you look exactly to my left, this is a perfect 6-seater cabin that we have. I'll just open it for you all. I'll just help you. So this is a perfect 6-seater cabin. A table, a chair, the whiteboard for a marker, centralized AC, but each of the cabins get to control the temperatures they want. There's a fan in case you're not too comfortable with the AC. Private cabin, entry and exit as rightly. So that's it, all about. To my left is the cafeteria, about 35 plus kind of seating. We also use it for events, wherein companies can come forward and host the events over here. A TV, or I should say a smart TV these days, 2 refrigerators, microwave ovens, both cold and hot drinking water, as well as tea and coffee facilities. So our package obviously includes the tea and coffee over here.
Okay.
So if you look on both sides of ours, so how we have decided over here, this could either be a very small team, or this could be a private cabin for a manager and his team sitting on the opposite direction.
Okay.
So that's how we have designed the whole space. If you continue walking ahead, you'll get cabins on both the sides, to the left as well as right. So on the right are the smaller cabins, either 3-seater or 4-seater. And all the cabins to the left are about 7 or 8-seaters.
So Brijesh, tell me what are the amenities a person or an organization are going to get when they come here to work?
Sure. So right from the reception, where we do the mail handling as well as the managing the visitors, biometric access control doors, rightly suited cabins, as I mentioned, a chair, table, pedestals, fans, AC, all in the cabin. Amenities wise, yes, then there's a cafeteria including the tea and coffee, separate washrooms. You can have the option of setting your own servers, rack spaces. That's a separate space for that. Apart from that, and obviously separate washrooms for men and women. There's a breakout area wherein people can play a game of pool and then relax. Sure. I just wanted to touch upon the amenities that an organization can expect when they onboard with us. So from a building or from the space standpoint, yes, when you enter the building, there's sufficient amount of car parkings, 2-wheeler parkings. When you enter into the space, it's a biometric controlled access doors. When you enter into the cabins, those are basically independently, you can set up your temperatures in the room. We'll be handing over remotes to you. 100% DG setup in terms of power backup, Wi-Fi facility. There's a gaming zone, separate washrooms for men and women, printer facility available. So all that is required for a smooth functioning of an office is available at our space. You can reach out to us on 89710-71089, or you can visit www.evolveworksstudio.com. Thank you.